Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Babes Life in the US. Hi guys, good morning and welcome to our channel, Babes Life in the US. Today, OTD guys. Going to the store, Hobby Lobby, looking beads. And this is my OTD today. Let's go guys. Hi guys, unboxing tayo guys. We went to Walmart guys. We bought something in Walmart. Unboxing. We try this guy. Garlic bread. Yeah, garlic bread stick. The other one, regularly. The other one, small tomato, red tomato guys. And the next one, we bought donut because been long time na not eating donut guys. This donut is really good. And this one, cheese, macaroni cheese. And device seasoning for pork roast, thyme leaves. This one spicy brown. This is mustard. And next, another one. We bought grapes. Lots of grapes. And the next one guys, spray, non-stick spray, sweet spicy barbecue sauce. And this one, Prego tomato sauce guys for the red ravioli. Crushed pineapple. And the big one guys. This one guys. Pineapple juice. And we bought I think 7 kilos guys of roasted. I like roasted. The pork, we cook this in roasted guys. And this one, then this one very huge guys. So this is 1995. So huge. And Walmart shopping is this thing. I cannot see. I think 60. Magic. 66 guys. And that is for the Walmart day. Hi guys, unboxing tayo guys. We went to Hobby Lobby guys. We buy a lot of beads over there. In Hobby Lobby guys, we bought this memory lens. Bonus poster included. That is ano guys, puzzle. We need to make like this. This is ano guys, 40% off. Hobby Lobby is, some is 40% off guys, some is 50%. And we bought this. My husband tried this t-shirt guys. Because summer now guys. I don't know if they like this. And we bought eyelashes guys. I think I tried eyelashes. It fit to me. This is kid eh. It's only ano guys. The price this is $3.49. I think this is 40% off. Little kid size, but oh, it's fit to me. Oh, very nice. Wow. La, beautiful. I like this. US flag, right? Very nice, guy. Usually regular price is $3.49, but look like ano 40% off siya. Oh, very nice. Spit to me. Hawak mo ang beef, hawak mo ang gabi. Sa bawat galaw mo, hawak mo ang beef dito sa pista. Nice guy. I like this. We bought this. And we bought this guy, oh. This is a glass. Glass stick ba guy? Stick mo. Stained glass stick. Ganyan. I remember before I'm working in Chinsu, we do like this guy. This kind of ano. And this one guy, we bought this. Because this is really good for ano. Good beads kayo. I think this is the eye, ano guy? Eye, what is called that? Eye tiger. Kind of bead. This one is $5.49. Kaunti lang siya. But 40% off. Ayan. And we bought this also guys. I make this guy ano necklace. We do necklace this. Because you cannot buy beads like this guy. Only we do like this. Beads pa more. This one. This is the ano. What is called that? Oh, spacer. And we bought this guy. Oh. This is $7.99. $8 na guys siya. But the good thing in this is everything is same size. And 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 24 colors. So, a lot of colors there. So, because 40% of this. So, we see black. And this one also. You make this a pendant. Very nice. $3.49 siya. But 40% off. And this one, guy. We make this as an earring. We need this earring, guys. Yeah. You can do it over here, guys. Earring, pendant, and ring. Necklace. Because that is 6 pieces. And this one, guys. This is good for pendant. This one, this pricey to $5.49. But 40% yan, guys. Don't worry, 40%. I'm not buying it at the regular price. This one, oh. This is good also, the big. You make a pendant, the big. And this one, pendant for the necklace. Pendant for the other one for the bracelet. And the next two of this or this one, pendant of the, the earring. So you have set na. Imagine mo. And this one also, guys. I make this a pendant. Pendant for the necklace or bracelet. And this one. This one good for earrings. Earrings or pendant. And that's it, guys. And we spend, guys, $62.46. All of them. And that's it, guys. We went to Hobby Lobby, guys, and we buy more beads. So beautiful. Okay.